Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to download Telegram videos to Jellery. Please share this video with your friends, put your likes and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So first we need to go to Telegram, and after that you need to go to conversation. And after that, you must click on any video. And if you want to save this video to Jellery, click on these three dots and click Save Video. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, put your like and share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone, see you later.